Hello and welcome. This is a hydraulic engineering tutorial experiment. To determine metacentric height of a ship, apparatus, model of a ship. Second tank containing water. 3. Weights, brief theory. 1. A ship model with known CG is floated in still water. A known weight, W1, is moved across the deck of the ship through a certain distance, Z, measured from O. Consequently, the ship gets tilted through a certain angle, theta, which is measured on the scale. The metacentric height, mg, is found, equating tilting and restoring moments, from the following relation. S, chaksh, screws with adjustable weights for zero adjustment. W1, chaksh, known weight, hooked movable. W, weight of the ship. Procedure 1. Find the weight, WU, of the model of ship outside water. 2. Place the ship model in water and with movable weight, W1 at any position, adjust the screws IS to get zero reading on the scale. Third, move the weight W1 across the deck through a certain distance, ZZ. It will result in tilting of the ship model. Note down the angle of tilt theta. Note down more readings by either I varying the load W1 and keeping the distance Z constant, or RI, keeping the load BW 1 constant and varying the distance Z. Precautions. 1. Free movement of pendulum must be ensured. 2. Readings to be noted down only when the water in the tank becomes standstill. Third, note down the reading of the tilt angle only when the pendulum becomes steady. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.